Hey everybody, it's Clark Barlowe back here with Potential Pantry. We're actually out here at my family's farm, Heart and Soul Farm in Caldwell County, North Carolina, and we have found these beautiful Smilax tips, also known as Greenbriar or Catbriar, or what I really like is Catfish Greens, because that sounds super tasty on a menu and just looks so pretty. Now, this variety that we have right here is a little bit of a red hue to it, and just a really pretty garnish green. Tastes like asparagus with just this hint of citrus to it. They make a great salad, they're great sauteed, they're great fried, they're obviously a beautiful garnish green, but there you have it. Smilax, Greenbriar, Catbriar, Sawbriar, Catfish Greens, whatever you want to call it, I just call it delicious. So, Clark Barlowe with Potential Pantry, Smilax Greens. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and as always, happy foraging.